Placing the wiper blade, and first thing we're gonna do is take the old one off. 2 tabs here, lift off, and do not let this slam down. It will crack your windshield. So just lay it down. This is a new blade, replacement blade. We're gonna use the number 4. Okay. First you have to pull this one off, because this one right here does not go with that one. You have to snap it off. Pull that off. Discard it. And you need the number 4. That's 3, and this is number 4. Here we go. Is okay. It said the arrow said it should be going outward in that direction. And what we're gonna do is lock it in place. Okay, and what we do now is pick the blade back up, grab it, get it. There we go. It just slides back in that slot and locks in place, and that's it. That's it. It just locks in place.